You see the toilet going back and forth, up and down. It's not supposed to rock like this. It was not put in properly. So this is a metal repair ring. This is going to be, I think, the easiest way to do this. So it kind of sits over my old flange. And then I just have to screw it into place. And then these line up. I got to get these to line up so that when I go to put the bolts in, it works. Alrighty, I'm going to open up. I'm going to go with a waxless ring this time too. So I'm going to open this up and just put the bolts in and see how this works. I got this where the bolts are going to work for me. So there's 4 screw holes. There's like there and there, here and one here, covered by the paper. So I'll just screw this back down into the floor, and then I'm ready for the wax or the waxless ring. So I'm going to use these exterior grade screws to screw this metal plate on top of the flange. Okay, so I got it screwed down with 4 screws, and the bolts are going to be straight. So the next thing is to put in this waxless ring. Slap it in like that. There it goes, just like that over the bolts. Everything's ready to roll. Now all I gotta do is put the toilet on top of it. Okay, so we're all installed and everything, and we'll flush it. Already did a flush test. No leaks down below, no leaks coming out the sides. So we got everything done right. Thankfully, that new device for that metal ring getting on the flange really saved us a lot. Okay, we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.